Welcome to the ActiveXperts software instruction videos. In this video, we show you how to configure ActiveXperts Web Access. We will also show how to install Microsoft Web Server if it is not already present, and how to configure Microsoft Web Server. ActiveXperts Web Access is a comprehensive web interface designed for mobile devices, tablets, and PCs. It allows users to see those parts of the network monitor configuration that they have access to using their mobile device. To configure ActiveXperts Web Access, launch the Web Access Configuration tool from the Tools menu. As you can see, the Publish to IIS button is disabled. This is because you need to have the Microsoft Web Server, also known as IIS, configured at least once by ActiveXperts. You do this by pressing the Verify Configure Web Server button. ActiveXperts then installs and configures IIS so that it is suitable to run ActiveXperts Web Access. After you press the Verify Configure Web Server button, you will be prompted to run a PowerShell script. Click Yes to grant permission. This PowerShell script installs Microsoft Web Server if necessary, along with the appropriate web components. This whole process may take a few minutes. After the script ends, you can give ActiveXperts Web Access a website in Microsoft Web Server. Start this operation by pressing the Publish to IIS button, which is now enabled. Connect to the IIS Manager by clicking the Connect button. The available websites will now be listed. We recommend choosing non-secure HTTP initially. Then you can add an HTTPS certificate later in the IIS Manager. Also, choose a free HTTP port. Press the Create New Site Now button to create the site. The site is now listed in IIS. Close the window. Now click on the published URL to test the website availability. ActiveXperts Web Access opens up with the default web view named Entire Network. You can later configure a web view for any folder. You can also define filters for a web view so that you can see only certain checks that meet predefined criteria. Be sure to define your custom web views and apply filters. This can be done with the Web Access Configuration tool, which we will explain in a subsequent video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Find more videos on the ActiveXperts Network Monitor Instruction videos page.